Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Loxley local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a trustworthy and cheap Loxley moving company is an important part of any local or long-distance move. With 3 Movers, you get an affordable price and the best moving services to choose from. We make it much easier to move, no matter how far you need to go and what you need to move. With our long-distance moving services, you can choose basic options or a more full-service move with the following: packing services. Let us handle the packing and unpacking for you. All your items will be handled with great care. Moving supplies. We only use the highest quality moving supplies and packing materials to ensure everything is well protected. An on-time move. Our team will show up at the scheduled time to ensure you don't have to worry about any delays on moving day. Upfront pricing. With a moving quote from us, you get an accurate price you can count on. Licensed and insured. All your belongings will be fully protected in the hands of our movers. We provide you with the right services when you need to relocate. Whether you're moving across the country or just 100 miles away, we can make it simple. Let our team make your long-distance move easier and less stressful. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Loxley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.